guys, welcome to this video. I did a stream earlier and we looked over a few charts, but we didn't check on the AUD against US dollar. Lots of people asked me about the AUD against US dollar. So we're going to run through it now. We're going to look at a couple of trading lessons which you can learn from this now. So what did we see recently? Of course, as always, we called it short on our rally up. Okay. So if you caught that short where we called it, I did that on various different lives and things like that, posts. That was fine for a short. Now what happens is the price falls to your early moving average, your early 20 MA. So it's riding with the trend, but the most important part is that it hits early support. Now the key lesson for today is the following. If you hit early support zones, there's a good chance you're going to bounce straight away. So if I just go to the 4 hour, you can see that's exactly what happened. This candle wick here that you can see, let me just highlight it. Candle wick there you can see gets rejected quickly, okay? And the price starts to move away in a series of green ones. Now you're hitting on some early resistance, okay? And you might see a jitter there. But the point is, if you look across the spectrum of the market, you can see this early support that gets hit is really what causes the bounce away so fast. So if you're someone who didn't exit that and you were looking to trade all the way down, you're not going to make as much money. You may as well reshort as you rise up here and do it lightly because you're coming back to that level fairly strongly. So the market may even come down here. Okay, it's a very good chance, probable that that's going to happen eventually. But if you closed out up here, you're not going to be making money out of this because you took your trade short, you had money on the table, and then you let it go. Okay, so you could have taken your profit there. Now, what you could have done as well, I'll draw it at the bottom of the arrow. What you could have done is you could also have taken some of your profit and let the rest of it ride. But you can see clearly this hits on early support. So you have to ask yourself, is it likely to bounce? And of course, the answer is yes, because of the previous early support. And you can see lumps of it on the daily chart, okay? And I'm going to highlight that with arrows as I normally do. So you've got support there, okay, there, right? You got it there. You got it there. There's so many individual support levels that the chance of this bouncing on one move down is high, coupled with the market sentiment, which is already trending it up. So you really should take your shorts off here, because if you don't, you can't take advantage of this second move up. And if you shorted it, around this point here, you're now back at net zero and you've sacrificed that whole move down there, or from here to there, okay? So like this. All of those pips are gone, disappear, because you didn't take the trade off when it was at early support. Now ask yourself this. At support, where price is likely to rebound, do you want to sell? Do you want to sell into areas where people are buying? Now, the answer to that should be a swift no. You shouldn't be doing that, because it doesn't make sense to be selling where people are buying in the market. Why would you do that? Because all that's going to happen there is you're going to be selling into the hands of the people making money. Now, you want to be on the side making money, so therefore you're going to have to trade with the traders making money. And this area here, if you're trading with traders who are making money, you'd be taking it long because it's a long zone, okay, albeit quite early. Now, if you didn't want to take it long and you just wanted to deal with your short position that you took up here, where we called it, okay, all you need to do is exit. Or even so, you could, I'll make this line different color, you could have taken half the position off here and let the remainder of it run down lower to there, okay, and you still would have made a good lot of profit. So I mean, really what we're looking to do here is kill our trades off when there is early support in the market, which you can see, because the probability of you bouncing straight away is much higher. And it's just because of everything in the way, okay? Everything back here is going to cause a problem. And you can even see that on your weekly, okay? If you look all the way back, you can see there's various levels, okay? So I hope that helps, guys. Remember, just take your trades at sensible times. See you in the next video.